Be ready and start. This hearing has been done through hybrid mode store. The present appeal under section 117A of the Patents Act 1970 was originally filed by the appellant BlackBerry Limited before the Intellectual Property Appellate Board in the year 2020. Wide order notice was issued by the IPAB in the present appeal stop. Thereafter, consequent upon the abolition of the IPAB and upon the enactment of the Tribunals Reforms Act 2021, the present appeal stood transferred to this court stop. The appellant is a corporation organized under the laws of Ontario, Canada, specializing in providing telecommunication products, services, and solutions. These include enterprise software, Internet of Things, network infrastructure, and other associated services. The appellant was originally known as Research in Motion and in widely known as the former developer of the BlackBerry brand of smartphones and tablets, as also the messaging app BlackBerry Messenger, commonly referred to as BBM. The appellant claims that its products are used worldwide by various businesses, automobile makers, and government agencies. The present appeal relates to the subject patent application titled Administration of Wireless Systems. The subject patent application bearing application was filed on 25th July 2008 with 10 claims as a convention application claiming priority from 3 US patent applications. The earliest priority date of the subject patent application is 27th July 2007. Thereafter, the subject patent application published as per Section 11 of the Act on 6th March 2009. The appellant filed a request for examination for the subject patent application on 19th November 2008. In response to the same, initially the Indian Patent Office issued a first examination report raising objections of redundancy of claims, lack of inventive step, as also an objection under Section 3 within bracket K of the Act. Other objections regarding lack of clarity and non-compliance with formal requirements were also raised by the IPO in the said FER. To substantiate the objection of lack of inventive step, the Assistant Collector of Patents and Designs cited give prior alt documents. A tabular chart capturing the details of the 5 prior alt documents cited by the controller is set out. In response to the FER, the appellant filed their reply requesting the controller to reconsider the objection regarding redundancy of claims, as also waive the objections of lack of inventive steps and subject matter eligibility under Section 3 within bracket K of the Act. In response to the reply to the FER submitted by the appellant, the controller issued a hearing notice dated 16th July 2019 regarding some of the objections of lack of clarity, redundancy, stop.